Hi everyone, and welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is a Silverson 60 BX homogenizing mixer. We've just finished rebuilding, and we're running a final trial on it. All the original equipment, the hydraulic lift has been rebuilt. All new casters on the frame, which are stainless steel washdown duty. You can see under here. Plugs, of course, in the frame. New sleeves inside there as well. We've furnished the homogenizer with a new motor. It's a washdown duty NEMA 4X. Even on the junction box here, it's O-ring sealed. With the Silverson tag under there. We're running at full speed right now. Running beautiful. Pretty common to use the homogenizers like this just hanging. So you'll see a little bit of motion in them sometimes. And this is Silverson's design, the hanging frame up here. And having done hundreds of these, we like to run ours through a AC controller that allows us to ramp up speed slowly. The paint is a USDA washdown polyurethane based enamel. So we're running 220 three-phase voltage through this controller right here. And as you can see, you start slowing your speed down. These are Tico, it's a Westinghouse product. You can hear the motor begin to slow down at the same time. Some people do run homogenizers at slower speeds. It's very uncommon since they perform the best at full high speed. And 60 hertz right there is the maximum speed. So we're going to stop it right there. And a manual pump. You can see right here. All of the wetted parts on the homogenizer have been passivated. And you can see here on the homogenizer, you see the white in there. That's a brand new bushing provided to us by Silverson. Repolished all of the wetted parts. Here's your adjustable down thrust propeller in here. And of course has this square hole screen you can see here on the bottom. Everything's in beautiful condition, ready to run. We have lots of equipment in our stock and process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.